In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a plyo push-up. This is a very aggressive and advanced workout. So if you don't know how to do it, and you feel like this exercise is too strong, then just regress into regular push-ups, okay? But when doing the plyo push-ups is exactly what it says. You're doing a push-up with a jump, okay? So in that starting position, you want to come down into a plank, right? You want to have your chest over your shoulders, go down into the push-up, keeping your elbows nice and tight, close to the body, come back up and jump up, all right? So on that way up, that's the generating power you're going to use to pop yourself up. Now when you pop yourself up, you could pop to a little bit to the right, go down, pop yourself a little bit to the left, and then alternate each side to make it more challenging, okay? So I'm going to show you the exercise again from the side so you can see my form and posture. Keeping back straight, hips isn't leaned down, okay? You have to have a really strong posture for this exercise. Come down, elbows tight, just like that. Just like that, from the front, so you have a better view. Okay, as you can see when I did it on both sides, everything is lifting up, both hands and feet, okay? That's why it's called the plyo push-up. You're literally jumping when doing that push-up. Now, if it's too hard for you, like I said, you can always regress into a regular push-up, or you can regress into the knee push-up, which is like this. And this is when you want to drop those hips, okay? You want to drop the hips on this one, and then when doing it, you come up and then raise your arm. Just like that. Woo! This is how you do a plyo push-up.